Good morning, everyone. Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. It's 37 degrees on January the 6th. And guess what we do here in Texas this time of year? I'm getting ready to till up and add my organic matter to my garden to get ready for planting toward the end of March. Yes, we can do that here in Texas. I can get my garden in the ground pretty early, and that's what I'm going to try to do. And today I'm going to till it up. I'm going to get some potatoes and onions in the ground, and we're going to get ready to go. We got a brutal cold spell over the Christmas holidays. It was 12 degrees here on Wednesday morning. Today it's 37 degrees. We expect to get up into the 60s today and tomorrow. It's supposed to start raining tomorrow. I'm hoping that we're going to get a rainy season like we did last year, which made my garden prosper greatly. But let me show you what I was able to get in the ground over the fall. These are my turnips, and they came up really, really good. But this is the only thing that came up because we had a lot of hot weather. We didn't get any rain over the fall. And then December we had some brutal cold. But you can see here my turnips are doing fantastic. Can I get the camera over there and show you? We're going to pull these up today, and I'm going to try to do some canning on these maybe tomorrow. It is supposed to rain tomorrow again, and that's what I want to do. I want to stay inside and get some stuff done, and we are looking forward to the planting season. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, you can see I've got everything pulled up. I pulled up my turnips, and I think I see a ladybug over there, and oh my goodness, I see 3 ladybugs. Now, you would know how important that is if you knew that we had some terrible freeze weather for about a week here. But anyway, I have some friends who brought me 9 bags of oak leaves, and I'm going to till this into my soil, and I'm going to get ready for my planting season. Also today, I'm going to plant some onions. Stay tuned. As you can see, just enough leaves to cover my garden. Let's get to tilling. Okay, we've got them tilled in as best as we can right now. You can see, look how good that dirt looks already. It's going to be about 10 to 12 weeks before we can plant. Although we can put some onions in the ground today and some potatoes, and we think these leaves are going to help out a whole lot. We live out in the middle of nowhere and we don't get a lot of leaves out here, but anyway, I'm excited to see what's going to happen this year. We had a great year last year. Go back and look at some of our videos and you can see how good the garden did. And thank you for watching. We appreciate you guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care and God bless.